Hey traders, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com, and in this video we're going to have a good look at, or a quick look at what the S&P 500 is doing moving forward. So let's get into it. Alright, anything I do say in this video is general advice only. This is not a disclaimer, this has been intelligent, okay? There's 4 key skills that you really need to do or master to become a good trader, right? There's emotional mastery, which is a big area in itself. There's a trading system, right? The trading system part of it. There's reading charts. There's money management, and there's trade management. There's a lot of different things that goes into becoming a good trader. So just make sure that you're being intelligent about the trading decisions that you make, okay? So let's have a look at the S&P 500 now. Look, so we're looking at two different charts right now. We're looking at obviously the weekly chart, daily chart to the left, weekly chart to the right, and we're looking at where you can see here that this whole level through here, you can see on this weekly chart through here that we are definitely squeezing up into like a bit of a triangle pattern. Now this is not going to last forever. It will break out somewhere. We just don't know where at this time, but we are getting this type of triangle pattern on the weekly chart. Plus we have this level of support level, and you can see over here on the S&P 500 that we got down the bottom here. Okay, so let me just get my trendline drawing tools here. You can see that we got down to the bottom here where Greece was, and stochastics down there, and it ran up. It was at the peak, and we got the peak through there. Okay, now it's come back down through here. We came back down to a level of support. Okay, so we came down to a level of support, and this is a level of support through here. Then what happened is the market ran up, it sort of faltered through here, it created like a really like a low peak, and now what's happening is that it's trying to break a higher trough. What's happening right now, guys, is that it's very indecisive. Okay, we are at a level of support. You can see this rectangle through here I've got here. That whole area is a support level, and you can see what happened on. You can see that we actually got a close right there. It opened there, came down, and closed there. So it definitely is respecting that support level. And so whenever you're trading a chart, you know, you want to be looking at the peaks and troughs. Okay, so if the market's making, let's do this here, if the market making higher peaks and higher troughs, then obviously we're in an uptrend. Market's making lower peaks and lower troughs, we're in a downtrend, right? So, but if the market starts to do what it's doing right now, which is makes higher peak, lower trough, higher peak, higher trough, lower peak, can you see that? What's happening through here, right? No one's in control. And what we're doing, we're just going overall, this is sideways, right? This one here, we're getting a nice little upward movement, downward movement. So if you look at the S&P 500, guys, that's exactly what you should be looking out for, seeing who is going to take control here. So wait for the chart to tell you, and then that's where we're likely to follow. Is it going to start to break down and create lower peaks, lower troughs? That's obviously we've got to wait to see exactly what happens this week moving forward there. So if you'd like to learn more information, guys, about how I trade the market, then click on this image up the top here. It's a free course. And that free course can help you out getting ahead in the market. So anyway, guys, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.